Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Today I bought these. Now let's open them. This is the packaging. This is it. These are magnetic, and the cap is magnetic. This is a thing. This was sitting on the platform for this. There's too much to read, so let's go to the fun part. Unbox it. See anything else? These are all the things that were inside. And also this charger. Please like and subscribe. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed, please do. When I plug them in to see if they do charge, 4 lights, and the inside are going. And for the fact, this looks really nice. I'm going to put on these later when they're charged. Please like and subscribe. Bye.